This is Nile's Robotic and STEM programs. We offer robotics experiences that grow with you from elementary to high school. The school's robotics program starts with our FLL Explore team. This is where our grade 2 and grade 3 students build basic robots using Lego spike kits. This is where they learn creative thinking, teamwork, and basic STEM skills in a very fun environment. Then we move on to our FLL Challenge teams. This is where our students from grade 4 to grade 8 design, build, and code robots to complete missions on a themed map. It's where our students' imagination meets their engineering. They learn problem-solving skills, teamwork, and coding logic to complete their robots.
So this is our Arduino station, and these projects were actually created by grade 11 students within their coursework. Over time, they've kind of learned what the Arduino parts were, they learned how to code, and in the end, they created these real-life application projects and presented it to their classroom. And towards the future, they're planning on implementing AI as well.
This is a drawing robot we call FAM. It was made using the Lego Spike Prime set. It is used to make professional spiral art drawings. Here are some examples of what it has made. These are some more robots made from grades 2 to 7. This is a stair climbing robot. This is a robot arm, and this is a bat. Finally, this is also an insect. These all have their own unique features.
This is our 3D printing and designing station. In here we turn our 2D drawings into actual 3D models on softwares. These softwares allow us to break down our models into very smaller parts, which are then later transferred into our 3D printer for us to print specific types, such as our Nile Academy keychains.
Finally, we have our high school robotics club, Tech 9535. Here, our high school students design, manufacture, program, and test a fully sized robot in just 6 weeks. Then we compete against other teams from around the area and around the world. Along the way, we learn mechanics, electronics, computer-aided design, teamwork, and problem-solving skills to assist us in the real world. And at the end of the day, we don't just build robots, we build future engineers and inventors.
Hello, I am Mushtaba. I am a University of Toronto Master of Architecture student. Here at Nile Academy, I work as digital fabrication technician, where I help students with 3D printing, CNC, and other technical work. students at Nile Academy are assigned projects, or they have their own projects where they need a space for hands-on experimentation and exploration. In the space, I try to mentor and guide students on this exploration of this technology, combining mechanics, programming, electronics in one space. We have digital fabrication tools, we have hand tools, we have other technological equipment here that I try to help students in their projects.
Nile Tech 9525 doesn't only inhibit technical skills, it also fosters non-technical skills like marketing, collaboration, and also key things like grant applications. And we also highlight this using some of our merch, and one of our really cool aspects is we have pins that we give to competitors at our competitions.